Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick but really handy trick, how to jump straight to any section in your Wix website while you're designing. If you've ever felt that frustration of endlessly scrolling and searching for a specific part of your site, stick around, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get where you want instantly with just a simple click. It's a real time saver, especially if you manage large pages or complicated layouts. So let's dive right in. First, head over to your Wix website design. This means you'll want to log into Wix, select the site you want to work on, and enter the editor. If you're already working inside the editor, you're in the right spot. It's important to start here because all the tools we'll use today live in this design workspace. Next, look up at the top right corner of the editor. You'll see several buttons, things like Preview, Publish, and some other icons Wix uses for different options. What you want to do here is click on the Tools button. Not everyone realizes there's a whole set of powerful features in this menu, so if you haven't used it before, this is a good time to take note. Inside that Tools menu, you'll find a list of different toggles. Make sure you enable the Layers panel. It might be off by default depending on your editor's previous settings, so go ahead and click that option. When you enable Layers, a new side panel will appear, usually on the right side of your screen. This Layers panel shows a neatly organized list of everything on your current page, all your sections, strips, columns, images, buttons, and more. Here, why this matters. If you're working on a big multi-section site or maybe a landing page with lots of stacked content, manually scrolling can get kind of tedious. You might even lose track of which section you're working on, especially if each one looks similar. But with the Layers panel, you can see every single element laid out like a map. It's kind of like having a bird's-eye view over the whole project rather than being lost inside it. Now here's the magic part. Inside the Layers panel, just click on the section you want to jump to. Instantly, Wix will take you right there in the editor. No scrolling, no guessing, no extra steps. It's as simple as a single click. For example, if you want to tweak a footer at the bottom or jump up to a hero section, just pick it from the list. It's like teleporting from one part of your site to another. This step makes editing large sites not only faster but less confusing. Don't worry if you have a long list in your layers. They're usually named after what's inside, so you'll be able to spot things like contact section, gallery strip, or header pretty easily. And if you can't immediately find the section, try expanding or collapsing groups in the list. A little bit of exploration will go a long way here, and that's honestly it. Once you master using the Layers panel, jumping to any section in Wix becomes effortless. It's one of those tiny features that can make a huge difference in how smooth and enjoyable your design process feels, especially if you're spending a lot of time building out your site. Thanks for watching. If this tip helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. It means a lot to me and helps others find it. Got any questions about Wix, web design, or features you want me to cover in future tutorials? Drop a comment below. I always enjoy hearing what you're working on. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on practical, easy-to-follow web creation tips. Catch you in the next video.